Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show the best display settings to change on this device. Alrighty, so first of all let's open up the settings and enter the display category. So the first option that we would highly recommend that you try changing and try playing with in general is called the show screen refresh rate. As you can see, there are plenty of values to choose from 60 Hz all the way up to 165 Hz. So as you can see, the higher you go, the more silky the picture that you see will get, and the more smoother the animations will get as well, since the screen refresh rate is increased. But at the same time, the higher you go, the more power consumption you'll get as well. So in here, simply choose the priorities that you want to have, so you can either opt for the better battery usage or for the higher screen refresh rate. And there is also the toggle that allows you to regulate whether the current display refresh rate will be shown at the left part of your status bar, just like so. I think personally that 90 Hz or 120 Hz is the best middle value for you to still have silky picture and smooth animations, but at the same time not consuming drastic amounts of power or battery in general. Alrighty, so the next setting that we would like to show you in this video is called Screen Display Preferences, and in here you are able to choose between different color presets that there are over here. As you can see, the top part of the page contains this very convenient preview picture that you can visually see how the presets, how the colors that you have opted for will look exactly. There is normal mode, vivid mode, natural mode, P3 color gamut, and sRGB color gamut, just like so. There is also this palette that allows you to regulate the color temperature. So you can either set it manually by moving the circle inside the color palette itself, or go for the default warm or cool presets. I'll leave it at vivid mode myself and go for the cooler colors. Alrighty, moving on to the next setting is a very small toggle or switch that, as you can see, stands for low brightness flash protection, reduce damage to your eyes. So once activated, it reduces the flicker of the screen at low brightnesses. So if you see that once setting the display brightness to minimum, that your screen flickers a lot, we highly recommend that you try activating this toggle and see if there is any difference. And the final feature option that we would like to show you in this video is called Always On Display. It has its separate category in settings. In order for it to be activated, you want to tap on this cog or gear icon at the top right part of your screen and turn on this very toggle. In here we can either set some start time for it, the end time, which the time frames in which it will be shown, the show duration, the brightness, the pick up your phone to show feature to be enabled or not, which means that each time you'll pick up your phone, no matter whether the current time is not in the set time frames, it will anyways show the always on display, low power off toggle, and the desktop shortcut. And in here you're also able to choose the design of your always on display. As you can see, there are plenty of designs, which you can also add custom ones, or should I say there are some categories from after expanding which you are able to choose the particular design that is going to be used. So I'll go with this one, for example, just like so. And as you can see, there is also an opportunity to add some custom medias to the appearance of your AOD. So let's go ahead and turn off the screen and see how it looks, just like so. As you can see, it shows the picture that we have opted for, the time, the date, day of the week, and the current battery state. Alrighty, so that would be it not only for the AOD feature but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.